What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of an unboxing. Today I'm going to be doing an unbox. Why am I saying it like that? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a condenser microphone. If you guys didn't know, I am also a broadcaster on the app UpLive, so I thought it would be a good idea to pick up one of these, and I wanted to show you guys what it's looking like. So let's get into this unboxing. All right, so this is what the package is looking like on the inside. It comes with, a little card, a little manual to explain how to pretty much set it up. So in here, we've got the adapter and the microphone protector. It's like a little sponge. And then this is the adapter. I'm having a hard time getting this off because of my nails. There we go. So it's a pretty long length. It's about the length of both my arms put together. So that's really nice. I could probably have this like on the couch while I broadcast on my laptop from a few feet away. So that's good. The next thing is this little tripod. Oh, this is so cute. It's so tiny. At this point, I haven't even looked at the directions. I'm just opening stuff up, but it's kind of clicking in how this is gonna go. Okay, so this is the microphone itself. Oh, this is kind of dope. I don't even want to put the sponge thing on it now. This is kind of cool. It has the volume in the front. I guess this is probably an indicator for when it's on. Let's see. All right, so it looks like this end would go in here. Boom. To connect it, it's perfect. Come on, stay in. And then we have this piece over here. So let's see how this setup is gonna go. I'm gonna do that off camera and get everything up and running, and then I'll see you in a few minutes. That's what the product ended up looking like. It did not prompt me to add anything onto my computer or anything. Once I plugged it in, it was ready to go and everything was smooth. So yeah, that's about it. If you're going to try to check an inexpensive microphone out, please be sure to let me know down below. And if you're gonna check this one out, the link will be in the description box. And yeah, so please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post something dope. See y'all in the next one. Peace.